If swimming makes you feel breathless, it's not your lungs, not your stamina. It's one tiny breathing mistake almost every swimmer makes. Fix this, and you'll swim longer, faster, and calmer instantly. Most swimmers don't realize they're breathing the wrong way, and that one mistake is ruining their speed and stamina. Today, you'll learn the simple fix that makes swimming feel light, calm, and effortless. When most people struggle in the water, they think the problem is their speed, strength, or technique. But the truth is far simpler and far more surprising. Almost every beginner, and even many confident swimmers, are breathing completely wrong without realizing it. And that one mistake is costing them stamina, speed, and control. Today, you're about to discover the real reason swimmers feel out of breath and the simple change that instantly makes swimming easier. Picture this. You push off the wall, take your first few strokes, and suddenly your chest feels tight. It feels like you can't get enough air, even though you just inhaled moments ago. That panic, the urge to gasp, has nothing to do with your lungs being weak. It happens because you're holding your breath underwater. Most swimmers don't even notice they're doing it. They think they're saving oxygen, but actually they're trapping carbon dioxide inside their body. And CO2, not lack of oxygen, is what makes you feel desperate for air. The moment you stop exhaling underwater, that carbon dioxide builds up like pressure in a bottle, and then everything inside you triggers panic. Your muscles tighten, your strokes rush, and your brain shouts, "Get to the surface now." This is the same reaction people have when they go underwater for the first time, or the first time in a long time. The body isn't scared of the water, it's scared of suffocation, and holding the breath sends the wrong signal. Swimmers usually lift their heads to breathe because they feel breathless. But that head lift breaks the body line, sinks the hips, and makes the stroke heavier and harder. Suddenly, you're fighting the water instead of gliding through it. But there's a secret that professional swimmers use, and it changes everything instantly. Instead of holding your breath, they breathe out slowly and continuously through the nose or mouth while underwater. It's controlled, relaxed, and steady. The moment you do this, something magical happens. Carbon dioxide escapes, your body stays calm, your lungs stay open, and when your face turns to the side for a breath, the inhale is effortless. It feels natural. It feels unlimited. It feels like you suddenly have all the air you need. Imagine swimming while your lungs stay relaxed, your chest loose, and your mind focused, not panicked. That's what proper breathing does. And the best part? You don't need strength. You don't need speed. You don't even need perfect technique to feel the difference. You just need rhythm. The simple rule is this. Inhale quickly when your mouth comes out of the water and exhale gently the entire time your face is underwater. Not in one burst, not in short puffs, a steady stream. This keeps your breathing cycle continuous instead of panicked. Think of it like running. You wouldn't take one huge breath and then hold it for 10 steps. You breathe naturally, rhythmically, and constantly. Swimming is the same. Most swimmers think breathing is a side detail, but it's actually the foundation. Once you fix breathing, everything else becomes easier. Your kicks feel lighter. Your arms stop burning so quickly. Your head stays in line. Your hips float better. Your stroke gets smoother because your body isn't tightening from panic. Even your confidence rises because now you feel in control instead of fighting for air. It's the closest thing swimming has to a cheat code. Try this the next time you swim. Before you even start your first lap, put your face in the water and exhale gently for 5 seconds. Not a blast, just a calm stream of bubbles. Lift your head, take one quick inhale, and do it again. After a few cycles, your lungs start to feel different, looser, lighter, ready. Then start your stroke. Don't think about speed. Don't think about technique. Just focus on keeping that exhale flowing. As long as the bubbles keep going, your rhythm stays alive. And as long as your rhythm stays alive, you'll never feel breathless or rushed again. That's the real secret swimmers learn once. And never forget. Your body already knows how to breathe. You just have to teach it how to breathe in the water. If this helped you breathe easier in the water, imagine what your swimming will look like with the right technique. Subscribe for more simple swimming secrets, and I'll see you in the next video.